Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to check whether your Windows 8 operating system you are using is genuine or not with a simple command line that needs to be typed into command prompt. So this is the line that we would be using to check whether the Windows 8 you're using right now is genuine or not. Copy the line, you go to command prompt, you run the command prompt as administrator. You simply paste the line over here. Before you move any forward, I would like to make something clear that please do not change anything in this line, because changing anything in this line might result into this function not working properly and the report wouldn't be generated. And after I press enter for this specific command line, I would like to tell you something before that. As you press enter, there would be two files created on the desktop itself right over here by default. Right now I'm pressing enter, you will be seeing that files being created automatically on the desktop. So here we go. This is the report file in the Notepad text document, Notepad extension, and this is the REP files that is in the CAB format. So we wouldn't be using this CAB file because this is generally used by Microsoft support team to analyze all the reports and everything. So we would be deleting the same right here. Now you open the report, and basically here you can find everything about your Windows 8, how the activation was done, whether the license is genuine or whether your grace period is there or not, or whether at the time of activation some kind of files that have been tampered with while activation, like key generators and everything. So this is the diagnostic report, licensing data, licensing status. It says SL licensing status licensed. Licensing status reason is 000. That means basically it's genuine. 0 means as I'm using a Windows 8 genuine version and the activation was done genuinely to what Microsoft recommends doing it, I have done that. In fact, there are more details than to what I thought there might be in it, like partial product key and grace time and validity and product name, time zone. As you can see, in fact, yeah, this is the main line one should be focusing on. This is the tempered items. If you have fiddled with your operating system at the time of activation, validation, installation, and files have been tampered with, they would be showing in here itself, in between this here, like here result and here result, and in between this. So here tempered and tempered, but nothing is written in between. So this is the genuine copy. And basically licensing data health check, and the result for the same is pass. So with this simple command line that needs to be typed into command prompt, you can basically check it out whether the system you are using right now is genuine or not, because I guess Microsoft hasn't put any kind of a validation website wherein one can go and validate their copy of Windows 8, or I think they might be going to launch that in the near future, but this is the temporary solution wherein customers or consumers can go and check it out. So I'll be showing you the same thing for the Office 2013 products. So I would be deleting this. There is a file that is needed to check your Office 2013, and that is the ROI scan file. The file. Uh, Down below this video, I would be giving you the links where you can download this file and this specific command also. You can download the same and put a copy of this ROI scan in C drive. Here I am showing you where to put it. It's here. ROI scan file that should be in the C drive. After you've done that, you copy this line, go to command prompt, run as administrator, simply type this line, and mind you, again, you shouldn't be changing any kind of things in this specific line. After you paste this line, uh, another command prompt would be appearing on the desktop itself by default, and that would be checking all the files and everything. And after that, a notepad file extension would be open on the desktop itself automatically. That would be showing you all the results. So here I am pressing enter right now, and you would be seeing a default command prompt opening on it in its own, in fact. Yeah, here the 1 to 11 processes are being done, and here the notepad file has been created automatically. So now we would be doing is, first of all, this is a Microsoft script and I haven't written it by myself. So I would like to tell you all the guys that the script, I do not have any kind of a hand in making this script. This is a official Microsoft script which bears Microsoft Customer Support Services name on it. And this specific product is called Robust Office Inventory Tool, which checks this specific office report. You can here see the time and date itself. The date is 1st of March 2013, and the test has been done on 4 o'clock 4:48 noon time. And here are the basic details that would be coming in the notepad file. This is specifically for office and nothing else, in fact. Yeah, the office which I am using right now is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2013. So that is basically reflecting right over here. So whichever Office 2013 suits you might be using, that name would be coming here by default. And here is all the details of this Office 2013. We should be focusing more on this line. In fact, this is the active license, Office 15, Office Home and Student Retail Edition. Below is the description on Office 15 Retail Channel license families of Office Home Student Retail. License status is 1, licensed, error code is 00, success. Partial product key is displayed. Apart from that, there is application ID, product ID, SKU ID, and these are the chain products. Chain products means supposedly I have installed Office 2013 Home and Student Edition. With that, I get Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and 2 or more things. I do not remember frankly what are the others, but these are called the chain products, and below are the chain product views like Microsoft Office Mondo 2013, and their details will be reflecting over here. And then you come down, there is Office 15 one-click run extensibility components. Here are the install date and date, in fact. And apart from that, you would be getting a whole list of other things that would be Microsoft OneNote and their specifications and report. This is the Microsoft Excel. So if any kind of an independent product has also been tampered with, you can basically check it out in this report itself. This is a long report, in fact. And this is basically the Office 2013 script, wherein you can check it out on your own by running it. Now there is a for guys who want to save this report, in fact, they can go into File, Save As, and basically save it to your desired location. And if you want, then you can run this script again and again whenever you like to get a fresh date on it. Now I would be showing you is a same thing, in fact, but altogether a different command line that is needed to use it. This is the slmgr.vbs //dli all. This command line we would be using. Simply type it over here, click paste and hit enter. And this is what would be displayed on your computer screen. First of all, I would like to tell you that each and every product of Office 2013 and Windows 8 would be listed out here. So whichever product you might not have installed on your system would be saying unlicensed. The same name, Office 15, Office Home and Student demo version, trial version. So I haven't installed the same, so it says unlicensed. So these are the two products which I have installed in my computer. This is Windows Official WMC, means Windows 8 Pro, Windows operating system, retail channel, license key. This is licensed. And I have also installed Office Home and Student 2013. So this says licensed. Apart from that, there would be more details reflecting in this basic report. But whichever you haven't installed, it would be saying unlicensed. Now the same script, you can basically transfer this into text. I will be giving you a command wherein you can basically transfer the same thing that has been displayed over here into a text file. All this you can see this much only because of the, I guess, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 products only, but the list is a bit long and it isn't fitting in the screen. So basically I have a command line which you need to type in. All these details would be basically saved into a text format. So here basically I type this specific line. This is this line. Over here. And what this would be doing is that this would be creating a file named version on the C drive. So I'll be hitting enter right now and would be going there to check it out whether the file has been created on the C drive or not. Okay, we are done with this. I would be keeping this in order to basically match it with my notepad. Yeah, here you can see that the file has been created in the name of version. We would be opening this up. Yeah, and it says that my Microsoft Office script host, and it has been licensed. Sorry, this is the script again. I'd be deleting the same. Yeah, this is the script. Okay, we are done with this. I'd be going to computer, C drive, version. Now for the comparison purpose, this is basically the thing. Both would be reflecting same. The details out here is converted into text format out here. You can see that Windows OCR, unlicensed. Next comes Office 15 demo retail trial version. Here is Office 15 unlicensed. So basically the thing is that the whole thing that is displayed out here is converted into a text file. Supposedly if you want to share these details with anyone, you can basically go and share it. If it is converted, it is more suitable this way. So I'd be closing this. And would be deleting the same, in fact. Because I do not need this right now. Now there are way more command lines in this. Now supposedly this is the old and unknown method for checking Office activation. This is type in the same line cd program x8215 in the same command, hit enter, type in this script again, and hit enter. So here it says processing, and basically here also you can see the same details out here. I am showing you each and every alternate way where you can check the licenses. SKUID license name is Office 15, license description is Office 15 retail channel. This beta expiration, even I myself have still not figured out what it means, like 1/1/1601. What's the reason for it? Because this is a retail copy, and why there is beta expiration written on it, I'm not sure, and I haven't basically dug in deep in this specific beta expiration thing. But anyways, license status is licensed. Last 5 characters of the installed product is this, and existing. Yeah, this is the thing which you can also see in the command prompt. Now I'd be showing you another way of seeing there's the script ROI scan. In fact, this is a ROI scan script where you can basically check whatever you desire you can do with it. In fact, so you simply use this command line. You open the command prompt, run as administrator. You simply type it out here, and you'd be getting a quite a lot of option with what you can do with this this specific ROI scan script. So all you need to do is basically change this. There is a question mark over here, and so is the question mark over here. So after this forward slash, you can basically type in any, like all, so you'd be getting all these results. You can type in basic, so you'd be getting all these results. You can type in full, like every what you have to type is written out here, and what it will do is typed out over here. So for example, we can do the same thing, like we'll be trying all, in fact, first for a demo. As I have this script written over here, I'll remove the question mark and type all. Oh, sorry. So the another script is running right now. We must close this first. So this is the steps that would be done. In fact, the same report would be generated, but with a much more complex details in it, like the voice, each and every software you have installed in it, like voice placer plugin, everything, QuickTime, Samsung Kai's software is there, Microsoft, each and every software, Play plugin, PC runtime, Adobe Air, Intel ProSet wireless software, and every detail would would be mentioned in it, to whichever softwares you might have installed in your computer, apart from Microsoft also. Here is a Cyberlink Media Suite, Apple software update, and everything. In fact, this is a demo. Like I have typed all, so this is basically reflecting each and everything right over here. So as said, you can basically use any of the command, whichever you think is suitable for you. You can basically select it from here itself. Yeah, here. I selected all, and it basically included non-office products. It clearly states include non-office products. Basic, if you type in basic, you'll be getting less information, full information, everything in fact over here. Now the other thing I would like to say is yeah, if you want to know your activation ID of Office 2013, you have to use this specific script. As you can see, it's C version text, so the report would be saved in C drive. The file name would be version. You hit enter, and you can go in C drive. You can see over here it's created, and here you can see the activation details of your specific uh, office. In fact, the remaining counts and everything is mentioned in over here. So first of all, I would like to say that Office 15 demo trial I'm not using, so it says unlicensed, remaining counts 1000. We'll be straight away moving to the products which I have already installed, so that it would be, yeah, this is Office 8 in fact, sorry, Windows 8 in fact. It's a retail channel, activation ID, application ID, extended ID, installation ID, license URL, partial product key, license status is licensed, remaining counts. This is the first time I have installed Office Windows 8, and I've already also activated it for the first time only. So you can see the remaining counts are still more, and here is the time and date when I basically generated this report. The second is the Office. The same thing applies. You can get your activation ID, application ID, extended PID ID, installation ID, and the partial product key, license status is licensed, remaining counts. As I told you, the Office also has been installed for the first time, so the remaining counts are still high. And this is the time. So basically, whichever product you have installed, it would be reflecting. Otherwise, it would be saying unlicensed. And if supposedly there is any kind of error, also it would be reflecting in this. So here, guys, I have told you many kind of alternative ways to check out whether your Microsoft Windows 8 operating system and Office 2013 suites you are using can be checked out by you yourself with simple lines in the command prompt that needs to be run into administrator mode, and all the results would be right in front of you. Below the video, I am putting in a ROI scan file for your easy download. Kindly download the same and do not fiddle with this script, as this is the official Microsoft script and I have no hand in it. And I would be also adding this text notepad file for all these script lines, so that you do not have to type in, or mistakes might happen here and there for spaces and all. So you can just basically copy and type paste it in the command prompt for your easy reference. So I would be also uploading this note text file and this ROI scan file. Guys, thanks for watching.